Look at them tracks. I know I've seen lots of deer tracks, but let me tell you, that there's big tire tracks right there. I think we'll head over to the we'll head up over to the ATV park. Is anybody there? Sure there are. I like this bike a lot, like I really do. But the more riding I do, I want more power. More power is better. Okay, straight ahead, she's the 401. Straight ahead, she's the 401. And ATV park's this way. There's more than one way to get into it. So we're fortunate enough to have quite a few unopened road allowances in my municipality. So part of that was an old one. And up here there's another one. And I'm taking right in. I'm taking right into the hydro lines. Yeah, I'll head to the main entrance just to see if there's anybody in the parking lot or an idea. So yeah, that right there, so one end of the road allowance, that right in there, takes you right in, straight in where you want to go. So we'll go this way, we'll probably come back this way. And then here, the road turns, but this here is the rest of the road allowance for this farm, and I can loop right back into all the trails I've been on before. Imagine that there's no one here. Unbelievable. Look at this. Oh, we got the game camera. Hi, that's interesting. Huh. Very interesting. Okay, boys. Go for a little spin. I've been here since the fall. I've been here since the fall. This is stuff all hard bottoms in here. Alright. Well, I'm definitely going to be doing is coming back in. I started doing some trimming some of these trees back, and I haven't done this area at all. But that's one of my goals, bring the saw back in, and I'll do a little trimming up in here, but we're all hanging down. But I like it whack the face. So this area is Crown Land. The small section of Crown Land is just in the middle of, you know, it's just really weird how it's set up. But it's pretty awesome that it's here, that we have it, and you can do pretty much everything except target shooting. You're allowed to hunt in the proper hunting season, with all the obviously appropriate things. But no shooting unless you're hunting. You can't come to target practice. Keep shooting stuff, I guess. I don't know. this is like the meeting spot. That's the left, that's the center, and that's the easy. So basically, this left you can go through, not too bad, and then as soon as you go around a corner, it's like really, really bad stuff. Like there's a go around, and the go around at the end of it is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Like I can't do it. Like I won't even go through that part. But this right part meets up with that. But there's a trail I could take that goes around that sort of bypasses some of that stuff and meets up with some areas that I can get through. But yeah, I'm not really going. Let's take a little spin up here, just a little bit, to see what kind of trouble we get into. Thing is, I know a lot of the bigger bikes have been through. They're running it out really good. Yeah, but look at that. All right. I'll give her some pepper. Jeez. Okay, we're back. Okay, so I scouted out this whole area here. I think I can make it through here. It's a fairly hard bottom. There's only one set of ruts. I could straddle them and whatnot. Depth wise, it's not too bad, but there might be a spot where I gotta dip, my front might dip in. I don't know. This way there's a big hole. It was over my knee. Nothing was over my knee, which is for me, it should be fine. Gives me some wiggle room. But I don't want to get it stopped and stalled or something like that. So we're just going to err on the side of caution, because I was only going out for a little bit today. We'll go around the other way. There'll be some good ripping, and I'm not trying to be a wussy, but I'm just looking at that. I wasn't really planning on being out too long. So I think what I'll do is I'll come back, plan to come another day, get a hold of the other lads. And I'll friggin' try it. So let's get some more. Let's do more riding. So this is the stuff here that gets you when it's completely covered in water. You don't know. That's not bad. So this is nothing here. But the neat thing is, though, the field, it's a fairly hard bottom over there. But yeah, I definitely want to try that one. We'll get hungry, to tell you the truth. So we'll zip through here and we'll go around, see what we can see. Lots of puddles. Yeehaw! Deer, you see that, boys? Right there. Yeah, he want nothing to do with me. plus there are some big rocks in there, so you don't want to be blasting too hard. That little spot you hit up there, that's more of a hunting ground. This is the same thing. Yeah, she is wet in here, that's for sure. We're going that way, like, oh, it's not even deep here. None of this is deep. Okay, so this is the outskirts of the park. Leads to the hydro lines, and man, there's some wicked trails down there. Wicked for mud holes. I'm just gonna hit the trail and go around. There's a couple of trails that go around. They're fun that I usually hit, but that'll get us going. Yeah, right here. There's a nasty little spot, swampy spot down there. Trust me, I know. There is some challenging stuff around here. That's why I'd really, I mean, so my goal I want to do is show people what this, you know, smaller bike can do. You know. Oh, that was weird. Wow. That's some water. Wow, I've never had that happen before. I wonder if my spark plug had gotten wet. That could be it, you know. Yeah, you know what? That was one of those things I was gonna check. Like I had service done on it there in the late fall. I was put a new plug in and stuff. But was to I know I was thinking of making sure double check, put some electric grease on it, but and I know I stuck some water in the exhaust there. It's a little rough. Oh, there's another deer. Another deer. I don't think no, probably not. There he goes. Probably can't see him on the camera now. Oh yeah, that just takes you right to the hydro line. Oh wait. Let me think about this for a second. There's a couple trails in here. Yeah, that just goes back to the hydro line. Let's keep going. So there's another intersection. Which is the way I don't want to go. So sorry, I gotta remember to tell myself to finish my thoughts. That's the first ever I've had anything seem strange with my bike, ever. I'm just wondering, okay, here's the intersection. So this way, so this is the road allowance here. This takes you towards the 401's right there. But let me tell you, there's a pretty friggin' wicked trail. We're not gonna take that today. That's an adventure in itself. Definitely try it. I haven't tried it. I only tried it once. Before I'd even done any changes to the bike or anything like that. So we're just gonna head out of here, and we're just kind of go in a big circle, and that'll be it for today.